Hello everyone. In this quick tutorial, I am going to show you how can you make a blurry image or a blurry video clear on Capcut. So first of all, you have to open up your Capcut application and import the video that you want to clear. After that, click on Effects and search for the effect that is called Sketch. Now from here, you very easily have to add the BW sketch on your video. Now just apply on it. After you apply it, you again have to adjust it according to your timeline. Now, again, add another video effect, but this time swipe towards the right side and click on the lens option. Now, from here, scroll down and click on this specific blur option. You will see it on your interface too. Now, just apply it. Once you apply it, you again have to adjust it according to your timeline. Now you have to import this video to your gallery. So now just wait for this process to be completed. Now once your import is completed, you have to go back to the same project. Now click on the B&W sketch and click on replace. Now from here, you have to search for the effect that is called neon. You have to select this specific neon effect. So now just apply it on your video. Once you apply it, you now have to import your video once again. So just import it. Now once your exporting is complete, you again have to go back to your project. Now simply delete all of those effects that you added on your video. Once you have done that, go back and now click on the overlay option. Click on add overlay and first of all add the first video that you exported to your gallery. Now simply click on blend and select the option that says burn. Adjust its sensitivity to 45 and now click on the tick option. Once you do that, again click on add overlay. Now import the other video that you exported. Once you do that, adjust it according to your timeline and then click on blend. Now choose the option that says dodge and again adjust its sensitivity to 45. Now just adjust all of the clips according to your timeline. So now as you can see, by doing this, you can very easily obtain a very clear video on Capcut. So that's pretty much all for today's video. Consider subscribing to our channel for more videos in the future. Until then, stay safe.